Alright, we're here at AD Triple S Motorsports to pick up our new General, the newest addition to the Southwest ORV channel, family of power sport vehicles. They're here in Ogden, Utah. Let's go take a look. Alright, we're going to do a little walk around our new 2019 Polaris General 4. Again, we bought it here at AD Triple S Motorsports in Ogden, Utah. Has the Fox Shocks QS3s. It's got a dump bed. We had them put on a rear windshield. It's also got the street legal kit. Has the rear view mirror, side mirrors. It's already loaded up, so tough to show you all the other things we put on, but we got a windshield. We'll do reviews on all these later. It has a front bump seat as well as a rear bench seat. It's quite a nice seat. Will fit 3 of our kids across the back. And it's a lot wider than the Razor bump seat. Also comes stock with the winch in the front, 4,500 pound winch. And then the windshield is from Fab. It can both fold down and also has a vent at the bottom. So we're pretty excited about this machine. We've been waiting a long time for it. Excited to get out and ride. The kids can't wait. So we're looking forward to more videos of this out on the trails, sand dunes, and wherever else we might drive it.